the Delhi Health Department's reports on how many active cases of coronavirus are there currently in the city, they do include how many are from the Markaz. The Delhi Minority Commission's chairperson has now written a letter to them asking them to stop. He says that the common person is not able to distinguish between Markaz and Muslims, and this has led to a rise in hate crimes and discrimination against Muslims in the country, because some people are believing that it is a conspiracy and that Muslims are intentionally spreading this infection and that they are the cause of this infection. The Delhi Minority Commission's chairperson also tells me that he has just written this letter last evening and he's still awaiting a response. But if the Delhi Health Department chooses to continue, then the Minorities Commission will pass an order asking them to stop, and this order can only be overturned by the High Court.
In Delhi, in a number of places, in Harevli village, which is in the Northwest District, there a man was, I think, almost lynched. I mean, I think yesterday I was told by local source that he has died, but others are saying no, he has not died. In any case, there was an attempt to kill him. And a similar attempt was made in a nearby village, which is Qutubgarh. There also another young man whose name is Noor Muhammad. He was also thrashed. I don't know what is his condition because I could not speak to anybody in that village. In Shastri Nagar, we have seen videos, people planning how to boycott Muslims and telling that next time you come with Aadhaar so that we know that you are not Muslim. Same thing is happening in other places. We have similar reports from Himachal Pradesh, from places in UP, from Karnataka, from even Andaman and Nicobar, and from Maharashtra, that there is segregation. There are local residents are stopping Muslims from going to their houses or to their areas. So this is all bad. This is all because it was given such a color that as if Muslims were responsible, as if Muslims were having a conspiracy. So in this, in these circumstances, I thought that I must write at least to the Delhi Department of Health so that they stop giving these figures. These figures were actually giving food to that hate industry, which is very much active in this country.
Have you received any sort of response so far because of this?
Actually, I sent it only last evening, so I don't think that a response will come so quickly. But I will wait and see when they issue their chart next time. I will see if this has percolated to them or not. If it has not, then perhaps I, as the head of the commission, will issue an order. And our orders are judicial, and these can be overturned only by the High Court. So if things come to that, then I will have to do that.
Okay, so you will pass an order to not show separate figures.
If they persist on that.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
The next step now is to see what the Delhi Health Department does, and if it addresses this letter, and if it chooses to explain why they have been showing separate figures for the Markaz, and if that can be taken communally and is responsible for some of the communal violence that we're seeing on the rise right now. So we really have to wait and watch and see when such a response comes. This is Suryatapa Mukherjee for Mojo.